The 2018-2021 Volvo XC60 key fob uses a CR2032 battery. Start by gathering a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. Gently insert the tool into the seam of the key fob to pry it open. Be careful to not scratch the plastic. Once open, locate the CR2032 battery. Use the screwdriver or pry tool to carefully remove the old battery from its holder. Ensure you note the orientation of the battery, plus side up, before removal. Properly dispose of the old lithium battery at a recycling center. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the holder, ensuring the positive side faces up as shown in the diagram. Reassemble the key fob by aligning the two halves and pressing them together until they snap shut, ensuring the rubber seal remains intact to prevent water ingress. Test the key fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons from a short distance away. If the car doesn't respond, try reprogramming by holding the lock and unlock buttons for 5 to 10 seconds while inside the vehicle. If issues persist, consult your Volvo owner's manual.